Now let's learn how to write equation from the given graph. Our basic concept is not going to change, which is like in y is equal to mx plus b. First we will find out b. B is the initial value. That means at that particular point input is equal to 0. And if input is equal to 0, coordinates are 0 and b, which is the y-intercept. So let's check what is the y-intercept here. So y-intercept is 4. Okay, so 0 and 4 is the first point. Now we have to check the slope. So we have to take a horizontal line and a vertical line. Let's take these 2 points because these are the exact points. So the coordinates of this point are 2 and 1, right? So first I'll take this path and then I'll take this path. So that means I am coming down how many points? 3 points. 1, 2, 3. 3 points down and 2 points right. And because of this 3 points down, it's -3. Am I right? Is it 3 points down? Yes. So slope is equal to -3 by 2, rise over run. Now do you think you can write the equation? So y is equal to -3 by 2x plus, what is the initial value? 4. That is the equation of this line. Simple. Now let's come to second question. Initial value is 0. It's crossing the origin. So when y is equal to 0, x is always 0, 0. So that is the initial point, right? Okay. Now let's take another point which is exactly at the point. Let's see this one and cross this passage. First I am coming down and then I am going right. So how much I am coming down? 5 points. And how much I am going right? 1, 2, 3 points. So 5 points and 3 points, -5 and 3. Now you will say the coordinate is -3, -2, -1, 0. It's okay. We are just counting our steps to go towards right, which are 3. So what is the slope here? -5 by 3. Initial value is 0. So the equation is y is equal to, let's put the values in this, mx plus b. So y is equal to -5 by 3x plus 0. Okay. Now let's see another example. Okay. So this is the y-intercept and the coordinates are 0 and -1. So that means from here value of b is -1. See, if you have listened all the stories, this will become quite easy for you. Now let's do slope. Oh, there is no rise. So when there is no rise, slope is 0. So that means this time my equation y is equal to mx plus b will be written as y is equal to 0x minus 1, and it's not going to make any difference. So let's write y is equal to -1. So for the horizontal line, the equation is y is equal to -1. Let's see one more question. Let's take 2 points, this and this. These are the 2 points. Okay, so 2 is the y-intercept. So value of b is equal to 2. And let's do coming down 2 points and then going left 1, 2, 3, 4 points. So that means -2 over -4 is the slope, and if you reduce it, that will be 1 by 2. So y is equal to 1 by 2 x plus 2. How we are doing? Y is equal to mx plus b. Okay, so that is for the previous question. This is for the next one. Okay, y is equal to 1 by 2 x plus 2. So these are all the basics of the linear equation. Okay, I hope you understand.